Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Programming Language Tutorials section. Here you find Java tutorials. I click on View Full Playlist. Here you find Java explained in depth step by step guys. In the previous video we understood binary versus decimal number system. I told you that to understand bitwise operators, you must understand binary number system and decimal number system. You should be able to convert binary number to decimal number to binary number, right? We understand decimal numbers, whereas bitwise operators work on zeros and ones, that is bits. So you should understand binary number system and decimal number system guys. Now let's proceed and understand bitwise operators in Java. Bitwise operators perform operation on bits, that is zeros and ones. In computer terminology, zeros and ones are called bits. A bit means 0 or 1 guys. Bits means zeros and ones. Bitwise operators first convert the given decimal number or numbers to their binary equivalent number or numbers. Then they perform operation on bits of those converted binary equivalent numbers. Then they convert and return the result of the operation as decimal number back. We give decimal numbers to bitwise operators. They return decimal number back, but in between what happens? Bitwise operators first convert the given decimal numbers to their binary equivalent numbers, then perform operation on bits of the converted binary equivalent numbers, and then return the result of the operation as decimal number guys. Let's understand bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise exclusive OR operator, bitwise complement operator, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise right shift operator. Single ampersand symbol indicates bitwise AND operator. Single pipeline symbol indicates bitwise OR operator. Caret symbol indicates bitwise exclusive OR operator. Tilde symbol indicates bitwise complement operator. Pair of less than symbol indicate bitwise left shift operator. Pair of greater than symbol indicates bitwise right shift operator. Let's understand bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator says if both given bits are 1, then the result will be 1. In all other cases the result will be 0. If both bits are 1, then the result will be 1. Otherwise result will be 0. Let's have a demo and understand. Here I say system.out.println. I say here 5 and 7 bitwise AND. What output we get here? Let me explain. First, bitwise operators take the decimal numbers 5 and 7. Of course 5 and 7 are decimal numbers. Convert them to binary equivalent number. How do we convert decimal number to binary guys? I told you we write 2 to the power series, right? 1, 2, 4, 8. 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1, 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. I stop writing at 8 because 8 is greater than 7. Then we find the numbers. On adding them we get 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So underneath 4 I write 1. Underneath 1 I write 1. Remaining places I put zeros. How do we convert 7 to binary? On adding 4 to 1 we get 7. So underneath 4 we write 1. Underneath 2 we write 1. Underneath 1 we write 1. Remaining place we put zeros. On these bits AND operation is done. Bitwise AND says if both are 1 then 1, otherwise 0. If both bits are 1 then 1, otherwise 0. If both bits are 1 then 1, otherwise 0. If both bits are 1 then 1, otherwise 0. We got 101. What is 101? 101 is 5. So we get the result 5 guys. Let's see whether we get 5 or not. I go here and run. You can see that we got the output 5 displayed. That is how bitwise AND operator works. Let's understand bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator says if both bits are 0, then the result will be 0. Otherwise result will be 1. It is opposite of AND. Bitwise AND says if both bits are 1, then the result will be 1. Whereas bitwise OR says if both bits are 0, then the result will be 0. Otherwise result will be 1. Let's understand with explanation. I copy this and paste down. I say here bitwise OR. What output we get? Let's understand with explanation. I say here 5 or 7. First, convert the decimal number to bits. Let's write down 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So underneath 4 I write 1. Underneath 1 I write 1. Remaining places I put zeros. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So underneath 4 I write 1. Underneath 2 I write 1. Underneath 1 I write 1. Remaining places I put 0. Bitwise OR operation we have to do. What bitwise OR says? If both bits are 0, then 0. Otherwise 1. If both bits are 0, then 0. Otherwise 1. If both bits are 0, then 0. Otherwise 1. If both bits are 0, 0. Otherwise 1. We get 1, 1, 1. What is 1, 1, 1? 1, 1, 1 is 7, guys. So what output we get? We get 7. Let's see whether we get 7 or not. I run this code. You see that we got 7 as the output, guys. So that is how bitwise OR operator works. Right? Bitwise operators take the decimal number. They give result also decimal. But in between what happens? Convert the decimal number to binary, perform operation on the bits, and then give the result back as a decimal number. Let's understand bitwise exclusive OR operator. Bitwise exclusive OR operator says if both bits are same, then the result will be 0. Otherwise result will be 1. If both bits are same, result will be 0. If bits are different, then the result will be 1. Let's understand with example. I'm going to copy this code and paste down. I say here exclusive OR caret symbol. What output we get? Let's see with explanation. I say here 5, 7 exclusive OR. Convert to bits first. Write down 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1, 0, 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 1, 1, 1. Let's write exclusive OR. What exclusive OR says? If both bits are same, then 0. If bits are different, then 1. If bits are same, then 0. We got 1, 0. So what is 1, 0 in decimal, guys? We write 1, 0. Above that we write 2 to the power series. 1 and 2. So what is it? It is 2, guys. Right? We'll get the output 2. Let's come here and play and check whether we get the 2. You can see that we got the output 2. So that is how exclusive OR operator works. Next we have bitwise complement operator. It says add 1 to the given number and change the sign of the resultant number. Add 1 to the given number, change the sign of the resultant number. Let's understand with example. I copy this and paste down. I say here complement of 5. Complement of 5. What we have to do? Add 1 to the given number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is a positive number. We change the sign. Minus 6. If I run the code, we get minus 6, guys. You can see that we got the output minus 6. If I change this to 7, let's say, what output we get? 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is a positive number. Change it to negative. Minus 8. I run. You can see we got the output minus 8. That is how bitwise complement operator works. Next we have bitwise left shift operator. What bitwise left shift operator says? Write the first number multiplied by 2 to the power second number. Write the first number multiplied by 2 to the power second number. Let's understand with example. I'm going to copy this and paste down. I say here 1 left shift by 4 positions. 1 left shift by 4 positions. What output we get? 1 left shift by 4 positions. Write the first number multiply by 2 to the power second number. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. 16 into 1 is 16, guys. Let's see whether we get the output 16 or not. I run this code. You can see that we got the output 16. Next we have bitwise right shift operator. What bitwise right shift operator says? Write the first number divide by 2 to the power second number. Instead of multiplied by, you say divide by. Let's understand with example. I copy this code and paste down. I say here 16 right shift by 4 positions. What output we get? Let's understand. 16 right shift by 4 positions. Write the first number. Instead of multiplied by, we say divide by. 2 to the power second number. 16 divided by 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1, guys. Let's see whether we get the output 1. I run this code. You can see that we got the result 1. So that is how bitwise operators work in Java, guys. I suggest you to try it yourself, check whether you are getting the same result, change the values and check whether you are able to understand. If you still have any doubt, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Java. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.